The Ohme Home Pro is our easy-to-install charger that puts drivers in control of their charging. It's IP55 weather resistant and includes pen fault detection and a 1-meter input flying lead. Included in the box are the cable dock and charging connector holster, the wall mount backplate and screw sets, the load balancing clamp, the extension kit, including Vargos. As the unit is sealed, you'll likely need to provide a junction box to connect to the supply. Ohme Home Pro is simple to install. First, attach the backplate with the provided fixings. Then, simply slide the Ohme Home Pro on top. Terminate the input cable to a junction box or isolation switch, or direct into a fuse box. You can install a junction box at ankle height, or feed the input cable through the wall and terminate the other side. To enable load balancing, connect the current sensor inputs to the CT clamp. Then, follow the instructions to activate the Ohme Home Pro LCD screen. When powered, the Ohme Home Pro will connect to Ohme's servers automatically. Once the charger powers up, you will see a blue max amp screen. Here, you have the option to limit the charge rate if the customer has an insufficient supply or is waiting for their consumer unit to be upgraded. Next, you'll have the option to enable or disable load balancing. Use the blue buttons to adjust the settings and continue to the next screen where you'll be prompted to test the RCDs. The RCD test will auto-reset every 2 seconds. Click Exit Setup once setup is complete. To access smart charging capabilities, the customer must install the Ohme app on their phone. Getting the customer set up takes a maximum of 5 minutes. Simply scan the QR code on the Ohme Home Pro. Follow the on-phone instructions and smart charging features like energy tariff and vehicle integration will be activated. Refer to the Ohme Home Pro product manual for more information. And that's it. However, if you do run into issues, our technical support line is available.